How to make best friend in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make best friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you have Snapchat application, and then basically what happens over here is that you want to make a best friends. Now when you have got best friends on Snapchat, and when you come to the chat page, you'll actually find, when you come to this little friends option here, you'll be able to see this type of smiley face. This means that they are best friends. Now you can't make best friends on Snapchat, they are made automatically. So when Snapchat notices that you have been exchanging snaps frequently with this person, they'll automatically add them to your best friends list. And when you stop exchanging snaps with each other, again they will get automatically removed from your best friends list. So you can't make a best friends list. Now there is one of the feature which is called #1 best friend, but that is only for premium users. You can long press on someone here, tap on pin this person as a #1 BFF, but this will require you to have Snapchat Plus, so you need to make sure to have that, and then only you'll be able to pin them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.